Hello everyone, I am Dhanushree Mole. I came to Dr. Shruti Jagdade's consultation for my hair fall issue. I have been taking treatment from her since last 5 to 6 months. Initially, I was very skeptical about whether I should go for Ayurvedic treatment or not, because I used to hear that it's very tedious, it's very difficult to go through Ayurvedic treatment, and there are a lot of regulations and discipline that you have to follow. But before that, I had tried multiple allopathic treatments. I went to multiple doctors. The hair fall issue would stop for some time, but again it used to start reappearing. So there was no end to it. So finally I decided that I should take Ayurvedic consultation for once and see how it goes. So initially when I came to her, she explained me entire Ayurveda science in such a detail that I thought that it is a science that works on us from the root cause. It doesn't work on us superficially. Then I felt that I have come to the right place. So she made me understand what are the actual root cause of my hair fall issues. So she just didn't give me tablet. She tried to heal me internally. She gave me various medicines that will help me to rectify my internal issues. So initially for a month I really didn't see major difference in hair fall, but I started seeing improvement in my digestive system. I started seeing reducing my acidity and the gas issues that I had. And then I remembered that she had told me that all these issues are occurring because of my weak digestive system. So after she started treating me with all the medicines, I tried. My lifestyle is very hectic. I try to maintain whatever regulations that she has given in my diet, dietary regulations that she had given. I try to maintain that. So after second month, I started seeing reducing my hair fall. So in the current state, I have seen that my hair fall has completely reduced. Not only that, but I have also seen improvement in my overall digestions, my overall immunity, and the hair fall has now stopped completely. So I'm still continuing the treatment with her because there are now I have a complete faith that the other issues that I'm facing, I'll get resolution for that as well. So along with Ayurvedic medicines that Dr. Shruti recommended me, I also went through the Panchakarma treatment. So that really fastened the process for me. So Shruti explained me in detail that Panchakarma works through the root cause, because even if you take medicines, they will just work on you superficially. So the entire process really gets faster if we combine the medicine with Panchakarma. So I would really recommend everyone to follow whatever Dr. Shruti says. She is very passionate about Ayurveda, and she has regained my faith in Ayurveda. And whatever I had heard before about Ayurveda, it was sort of completely misguidance, because we usually hear it from our family or friends, and they don't know that Ayurveda is such a deep science. But the way Shruti explained me, she has a thorough knowledge about every aspect of Ayurveda. So I would really recommend everyone to come here for any sort of issue that you have, and I'm pretty sure that you will get solution, and she will help you to resolve that health issue. Apart from that, the entire surrounding or entire atmosphere in the clinic is very soothing. The therapists are also very friendly. They also told me why the Panchakarma is needed. I really feel refreshed after every setting of Panchakarma. Now actually I really don't need Panchakarma, but still I feel so fresh and so soothing that after every month I come here just because it sort of acts as a servicing for our bodies. So I would recommend everyone to come to Dr. Shruti Jagdade's consultation, and she will really help you to resolve your problem. Thank you.